Hello traders, it's Wednesday morning, March 12th. I'm recording this live. I have the Sonic trading system. I see a signal here to go short. This is 55.93.75. Remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. A couple of things to start off here. We're looking at the Sonic system overall to tell us a good general direction of the market. Everything seems to be still selling off. That may change later in the day. I also have the Trade Scalper on the chart. I'm going to add something else here to the chart, which is the news indicator. Now, if you don't have the news indicator, you can download it for free at daytradetowin.com. Sign up for a free member account, and you can access the news indicator as you see it here. On the left-hand side of the chart, that is the news indicator. It tells me if there's any news coming up for today, tomorrow, the next day. Gives me an alert. It's available for NinjaTrader. Here are the signals for the Sonic and the Trade Scalper. These are all shorts. You can see the Sonic is giving me shorts. The Trade Scalper is telling me short. We have a package now where if you get the Sonic, you also get the Trade Scalper system as a bonus. All right, so we've seen here all the signals. I've taken one signal here, just one contract. This actually was a Trade Scalper signal, Trade Scalper to go short. And I'm waiting for the next signal. I'm not going to waste our time. I'm going to speed this up here a little bit to show you what the next signal is. Now remember, before you jump into trading any market, look at the volatility, make sure it's not too strong or too slow. We use the ATR, the average true range, to tell us if the market is slow or fast. So a couple of things just to keep in mind. If you're a new trader, do the micros instead of the regular E-mini S&P, or if you're doing the NASDAQ, be careful, the NASDAQ is very fast. So what are the contract specifications for the micro? Well, the contract is MES for the E-mini S&P, and for the NASDAQ, it's MNQ. So if you're looking for those micro contracts, MES for the E-mini, MNQ for the NASDAQ. Now, I also see that the market is on its way down. We're probably going to see a lot more short opportunities. So if you're thinking, should I be a buyer or should I be a seller? In this example, we're looking only for sells because we are seeing that filter up there. So this is a Sonic system order, 55.87.50. You're going to notice that I'm placing the order a tick or two better than the actual price. The reason why I do that is because I want to make sure that the risk to reward ratio is pretty equal. We're going to have a lot of signals. There's no reason to take every single signal if that risk to reward ratio is upside down. So in a lot of the videos that we do, we have probably hundreds if not thousands of videos out there over the years. I always try for a better price. I look at the risk to reward ratio. I see what the percentage win to loss ratio happens to be. In this case, the Sonic system has a high win to loss ratio, so at least the risk to reward ratio needs to make sense. It's about 50-50. It doesn't have to always be 50-50. It could be a little bit off, maybe 60-40, but not really too crazy where you're risking a lot of money. Okay, so I entered here about halfway from the target to the stop. That's really important. Again, risk to reward ratio. My target is 55.83 based on the Sonic system. The Sonic uses the average true range, the current conditions, to tell me if the target should be larger or smaller. So something to consider for those of you who are new traders, you can't always take the same target with every single trade. They're all different, and it's based on how slow or how fast the market happens to be. Again, the market is slow, smaller target. I'm adding here a online clock so everybody could see this is live, not pre-recorded or market replay or anything like that. I'm speeding up this video in order to save some time because every candle that you're seeing is 1 minute. It's 1 minute of time. So we're not going to sit here for 20 minutes waiting for the next signal. I'm speeding this up. And then when we see a next signal, I'll drop it back down to the normal time. Okay, so 55.79 quarter is the entry to go short. Now in this example, I should have waited and gotten a better price. I think I jumped in prematurely. It's not too off based on the stop and the target. I wish I would have gotten more of a 50-50 ratio. But that's fine. I'm in the trade. I have the target, which is 55.74. I have the stop. Now, if you think about how much money we're making on this particular trade, this is about 4 points. The previous trade was 5 points. So how much money is that? Well, $50 a point. So you're looking at about $250 in the previous trade and about $200 on this trade. You should have goals that are realistic. I don't recommend that everyone always try for $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day unless you're trading multiple contracts. So with just one contract, if your goal is $400 or $500 a day, it's doable as long as you follow the rules and you're careful, you're not over trading, you realize that one trade could be a winner, the next trade could be a loss, and so on. So keep it realistic, right? I think $400 to $500 very simply within half hour, an hour is doable. Now, who said trading was easy? Trading is not easy. Trading is emotional. Trading puts your money on the line. When you're day trading, you're hoping that the market is going to go in your favor. These things and all these emotions that come into play are really difficult to manage, especially for the new traders. And that's why I recommend that you always practice and you join our classes before going live. We have live classes every day. It's a trading room. On Fridays, we have our more of a one-on-one kind of a situation with our members to help answer your questions. And then when you're ready, start slow, start small, and begin your journey the right way. This being the third or fourth trade of the day for us here at 11 o'clock, this is more than enough. I mean, 3 winners in a row. 4 winners in a row, this is fantastic. Be finished, be done. 55, 74, 50, and finished for the day. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. Check out that video we did yesterday on forecasting and what's coming in 2025, and you can take advantage of it as a trader. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.